Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope all you are fine. Today's subject is weld filler metal selection for carbon steel and alloy steel materials. So today I will give two charts, one for carbon steel, another for alloy steel. That chart is very helpful for your any type of industry where the welding is going on. So let's see the which chart I am going to say to you. First, we need to know this before we go to the selection, filler metal selection or steel electrode selection. Though we should know the carbon steel electrode, the classification, the electrode classification. E means the electrode. That two digit is here means it is coming the minimum tensile strength in KSI. YY means designate the welding position. So you can get a clear knowledge, the clear view for this particular electrode when you are selecting the any material. So you see here one means this is designate that the electrode meet the requirements for improvement toughness and ductility. AZ means designate that the electrode meets the requirement for the diffusible hydrogen. How much hydrogen is hydrogen in ml is there in 100 grams of the deposited weld metal. R means the designate that the electrode meets the required absorbed moisture. So this is the electrode classification, you understand now. You see here some electrode classification is here E6010, E6011, E7018, E7024. What the types of covering is here, it is mentioned here. A welding position, which electrode, which position can be welding, type of current, DCP, AC, or which electrode, which current is required. So this is the basic view before we need to go to selection chart details. Notes is very important. The abbreviation F means flat, B means vertical, OH means overhead, H means horizontal, and fillets mean horizontal fillets. So this is not for the all electrode is here. So if you go the AWSA 5.1 or SSA 5.1, you go the details for AWS classification. Basically, we are giving this 4 electrode for the widely used in the industry. So first is the carbon we'll discuss for, and the next one on 2 page carbon and low alloy carbon and alloy steel, and the table 2 is the austenitic, super austenitic, and double stainless steel. So let's see. You see alloy steel electrode, also electrode nomenclature is here. You see here designate an electrode. So you go one by one. You understand the what is the meaning or the particular this. So let's see. You see here. This is what is the mean, all these things is the clearly mentioned here. So how you will be checked. Axis means like this, HZ means same ZML means how much ml hydrogen is there in 100 gram of or deposited weld metal. R is what is this. So all these things you should know before you start any types of welding at site. So these things are very important when you are selecting a filler metal. You have to refer AWSA 5.4 for complete listing. It is not complete listing for mechanical property, what I will be shown in the next page. So refer AWSA 5.5 for complete listing of mechanical property. So complete listing of property, you have to check AWSA 5.5 for the alloy steel electrode. And the stainless steel filler metal, you see some usability classification means some of the we are using at site in you see E triple digit 15, 30L, 304L, maybe 304LH. So all this 15, 16, 17, so many stainless steel electrode is there. Welding current, in which current for this particular electrode, DCEP, DCEP or AC, DCEP or AC, welding position, which position they can do the electrode. You can see all these things in the details. So go through in these 3 pages before you go to this next page. For more details on the usability classification, you have to go AWSA 5.4. Now we'll go the main page. Here you see carbon and low alloy steel welding consumable for SMW process. Carbon steel to carbon steel. This is the legend AB. So which electrode we can do for carbon steel to carbon steel? We need to go the next page. A and B means E70 18E6010. These two electrode we can prefer for the carbon steel to carbon steel electrode. If you go the carbon molybdenum steel to carbon molybdenum steel, so which one? This is the C, the legend. So if you go carbon steel to carbon molybdenum steel, if see this is the legend. So you know how to check carbon steel to carbon steel, carbon steel to carbon steel, carbon steel to carbon molybdenum steel, carbon steel to 1 and 1/4 chromium to half molybdenum steel. So this is how to check the material to material, and in this material if you go carbon steel to carbon molybdenum steel AC, this is the legend. So you have to check here. So how to check? A means this is electrode is 7018, and C means if you go AWSA 5.5 classification is 70XX1 low hydrogen electrode is required. So this electrode also, then this electrode also can do for this particular carbon steel to molybdenum steel. So you understand all this legend is there. One by one, D, E, F, G, H, up to H is legend is there. So I'll not go through the all the materials because you understand. Now the second one I will tell you carbon molybdenum steel to carbon molybdenum. Carbon molybdenum to 1 and 1/4 chromium to half molybdenum steel. So all this legend is there. You see, this legend you can find out in the next page. So hope you understand this base material, how you can find out the electrode material from this legend is mentioned in this table 1. Now second, you see here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, 6 legend is A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 legend is there. 8 legend is clearly mentioned the which electrode it is and which classification. If you go the AWS or SME, so whole is the low hydrogen. Okay. Now table 1 refer the coated electrode. So you have to know very well these are all the coated electrode. For bare welding you have to prefer the GTAW, FCAW and GMAW. You have to check the WSA 5.14, 5.17, 5.18, 5.20, 5.23 and 5.28. So that equivalent classification if you need for the bare welding you have to follow this 5.14 and 5.17 and all these following electrodes. Higher alloy electrode specified in the table should normally be used to meet the required tensile and toughness after post-hole heat treatment. So if you go higher alloy steel electrode, definitely you need to do the post-hole, you need to do the tensile and toughness test after the post-hole heat treatment. So if no PWST required, then definitely you need to electrode specified maybe required with the hardness required. Definitely we need to do the other option for hardness requirement. So you understand now here the table 1. Now we'll go for table 2. It is for the austenitic, super austenitic and the duplex stainless steel alloy. This chart is also very important. This will be very clarity to you. Now you see the base material. Carbon and low alloy steel here, and you do the welding with 304 LSS. So the legend is here ABC. You can see here ABC what is. A means AWS a 5-point classification is 309L. You can do welding with this electrode. AWS a 5.11 classification E9ICRFE2 or -3, -2 or -3. This electrode also you can use. Also this electrode you can use. So these 3 electrode we can use. There is 3 option, 3 legend is there. So you same way carbon and low alloy steel you have to go with 304 HSS, then same ABC we can use 3 electrode. Only the change is here carbon low alloy steel to 2304 duplex steel we have to go the N legend. N legend what is this? N legend is there AWSA 5.4 classification E309 MOL XX. So you understand how to find out this legend from this chart. So it is very helpful those are working as the welding industry or in the manufacturing industry. Those are engaged in welding engineer, welding inspector, welding supervisor. These are the very helpful, but these are not the all. This is widely used in the industry. That's why this chart is very helpful. So understand now all this how to check type 304H stainless steel 2304 HSS from here to here. Now we'll go here to here. So like this way you have to check from here to here, here to here. So all this nomenclature or this legend is here, and the star is means it is not finalized yet. This type of joint still not used maybe at site, so that's why it is at star mark. Okay. So you understand now the two table. This is very important table. So go through the table one by one. You understand. If you have still have any comments, just make sure make a comment in this my YouTube comment box. Then I can reply to you. See here. How many legend is there? A, B, C, D. So many legend is there. Every legend have their different types of description and the classification is there, and the different types of AWS 5.11, 5.4, SFA 5.4. All these things are mentioned here. This is the clear view. Now table 2 refers what? The coated electrode only. For wire welding, GMAW, GTAW use equivalent electrode. You have to follow AWSA 5.14. I already mentioned in the previous page. So if you go to the wire welding, definitely you have to follow AWSA 5.14 equivalent electrode. There are many properties available in the market, but consult the manufacturer or DFD for proper filler metal selection. If you not find out any selection in this chart, definitely you have to ask the manufacturer for the proper material selection, proper filler material selection. So hope this video is helpful for you people. So please like, share and subscribe to get the regular video so you don't miss out any opportunities or when I am uploading the video in future. Thanks a lot. And it's very important that you can engage with me this Facebook page. You can hear link Instagram and Twitter also. It also mentioned also in description page. And this is very important announcement that every Tuesday and Friday from now evening 6 p.m. I will upload the video. Please stay tuned. So thanks a lot. Take care and see you soon.